Okay, if you watched part 1 of showing you all my animals, here's part 2. So you got Crockett. No, this is Bucky, my head horse, Celestial. Got Crockett over there. And then we got 2 of my fabulous dogs. The rest are in the other video. Maisie and Ginger. Hi, Maisie! Maisie! Let me put my gun down. This was my pigeon video. You wanna go see that? That was a really good one. But there's 3 more of my horses. We have 1 more. We have 2 more, but they're not at my house. 3 actually. We got Chief, Charlie, and Shama. That was Shama. Then let's just walk. Hercules Skipper. The pink dog. She's in my previous video of showing you all my animals. And Hercules was by Maisie. Huh. You wanna see my cats? They're the part 1. But hey, that's one of them I killed. Then we got my goats. We got Rick and Morty. We got Little Ranch. But that's it. Bye.